Hey, I'm Sam and I do design, and in the video today I am at IFA in Berlin. IFA is a trade show where all of the biggest names from around the world come to show off their latest and greatest technology for the rest of the year. So as a YouTube presenter, I'm here to cover that, but as a designer, I am here to visit some designs that I will be seeing for the first time in the real world. Braun has been away from the audio industry for the past 28 years, and if you asked anybody on the street, they would say that Braun is famous for razors, shavers, and toothbrushes. So how can you convince people that Braun have the audio pedigree that they actually have? Pure Audio, the makers of these speakers, employed Precipice Design, and it was Precipice that came up with all of the branding collateral to bring it to the public's attention. After I spent an unnatural amount of time in awe of the Braun speakers, I met up with my friends from Instagram, Lucas and Carolina, and we went to go and see the rest of the show. And the show was absolutely vast. I don't think I even saw all of the rooms, and I definitely need to go for more than one day next time. What was really interesting with the consumer technology was the warm and soft colors, finishes in materials or CMF, as well as natural materials like wood and marble. It is a trend that we've been seeing for years, but this year it has been as soft and as warm as I've ever seen. Greens paired with pinks were everywhere as well. And of course, no consumer technology show would be complete without speckles. It was amazing to see what the big companies were up to, as well as the tiny startups. And the transport design was, of course, all electric, and the eco theme was seen throughout every single sector of the event. There was also a huge presence for air purifiers. Like, seriously, so many air purifiers. And also there were so many screens, and wow, some of the screens were just amazing. So thank you so much for LG for that experience. And finally, after a 3 a.m. flight and a full day of running around, it was finally time to go home at the end of the day. Special thanks to Precipice for sending me out to Berlin, and a special thanks to Lucas and Carolina for keeping me company and making sure I didn't get lost. If you learned anything in this video, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and hit the bell button and everything else that YouTube asks you to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!